Hi everyone, Peter from Troll Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this dream catcher. So you're going to need your hoop, wool, tape, scissors and the tissue paper. So we're going to start by making the tassels. You can take some of your wool, loop it around your fingers, and then leave a bit dangling. Get it together at one end like that, tie it, and then tie a knot in it. And then in the bit in the top, you're just going to feed that through. And then tie another knot there. Punch that up. And then the other end, you're just going to snip them. That's your tassel done. Next, we're going to make the feathers. So you can take some of your tissue, fold it in half, and then you're going to cut out a feather shape. Do a couple. And then very carefully snip it along the bit you cut, not along the fold. And then when you open it up, that's your feather. So you do that a few times, make a few different colours. Next, you're going to get your hoop, and then you're going to get some wool. So you're going to start off by just poking it through. And then tie a knot in it. That'll make it neat. Right, the next bit. You're going to weave this in and around the hoop, whichever way you want, and then you can also use different colours as well. And then you can just tie on the next colour that you want to use. You can use as many as you want. Then you just carry on. And then once you're happy with how much you've done, you can take the last bit and then just loop it around the same hole you've got it in. And see here, just make a loop and then just feed it through. And you can just tie a knot. and that's where you're going to hang it from. So your next step is to take one of the tassels that you've done. You can do as many as you want. You're just going to tie that on there. Put the feathers on, you're just going to take a little bit of wool, tie that on, and droop it downwards. After you've got that tied on, cut to length, you take your feather and a little bit of sellotape, I'm just going to stick that on, and then you can make some more tassels and some more feathers until you're happy, and then you've finished your dream catcher and you just hang that up somewhere.